Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'll be sharing my recipe for making the most tender and juiciest, mouth-watering tandoori chicken. So let's begin. I have 5 pieces of chicken into which I've made deep cuts with a sharp knife. I'm using a leg and thigh piece, but you can use any piece that you like. These cuts will allow the marinade to really get into the chicken. Now that my chicken pieces are ready, I'm going to make the marinade. In a bowl, I'm mixing 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, half a teaspoon chaat masala powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, or according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon orange food coloring, and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to mix this so that all the spices are well blended into the oil and yogurt. Now I'm going to apply the marinade onto the chicken pieces. I'm making sure to rub the marinade evenly onto both sides of the chicken. Once all the chicken pieces are marinated, I'm going to cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. I've marinated the chicken for an hour, and I'm going to place the chicken pieces on a baking tray. I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees centigrade. I'm going to bake the chicken for 30 minutes on each side. My mouth-watering and aromatic tandoori chicken is ready. It's so tender and juicy, and it tastes so good. Serve it with naan or Chana Pulao. The recipe for my super fast and easy Chana Pulao is in the description box below. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz!